In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up contact escalation in Central's AI Receptionist so your callers can reach a real person when they need to without things falling through the cracks. This setup is very simple and it makes a big difference, especially for small businesses that don't have time to babysit every single call. Let's walk through it step by step. Contact escalation is what allows the AI receptionist to hand the call over to a human when it makes sense. This can happen when the AI doesn't have the right information or the caller specifically asks to speak with a human, a department, or someone specific on your team. Escalation works by mapping what the caller asks for to a contact you've already set up. For example, let's say that a customer is calling and wants to speak to John in sales. The caller says, "Can you transfer me to John?" And if you have John added as a contact, Central will recognize that and attempt to transfer the call to him. Similarly, if a customer asks to speak with the support team and you have a team called support, Central will transfer them to the support team's number. To set this up, go to the AI receptionist section. On the right-hand side, you'll see escalation. Here, you click Manage. Here, you'll add your escalation contacts. This could be sales reps, support department, or anyone who should receive calls. To add a new contact, simply click on Add New Contact. Here you enter the name of the contact, and you can also enter other information like the department that they belong to. Then you add their phone number, and then you click on Save Contact. For each contact, you can set their availability, including time zones, working days, and working hours. Central will only attempt to transfer calls who are available at that moment. You can also set a default escalation contact when you set up your Central account. In order to activate that, just tick this box right up here. When AI is confused or caller is frustrated, escalate to this contact. Ticking this box will set the default escalation contact. If you're a solo small business owner, this is the way to go. Whenever the Central needs to escalate, it'll transfer the call to your default escalation contact, which is you. If no escalation contact is available, Central will let the caller know no one is available and will take a message. So to summarize, if the caller asks for a specific person, Central tries to transfer to that contact. If they ask for anyone, or if you only have a default contact set up, it uses the default escalation contact. Or if no one is available, the AI can take a message. Once contact escalation is set up, your customers don't get stuck waiting and you don't end up with a list of missed calls to follow up on later. Calls get handled in the moment either by the right person or by the AI taking a message if no one is available. That's what makes contact escalation such an important part of running a smooth reception workflow in Central.